Okay, so polynomial long division. This one gets a lot of people mixed up. There are plenty of clever ways to talk about how this works, but I often find that they distract from the actual task a bit too much. So instead, we'll tackle this one by showing how to do it. We'll look at an example that shows off the technique. And as we do this, I'll be working on the left with only variables, and on the right with numbers. The right side isn't quite the same as the left, because we're using numbers instead of variables, but it's included to show how the two techniques are similar. The example we'll be doing is 6x cubed minus 13x squared plus 27x minus 17, all divided by 3x minus 2. Neat. Now what do we do with this? First, we're going to copy the dividend. Wait, which one is that? Divisors sounds kind of like divider, so it's the one we divide by, then dividend is the one we're dividing. Great! So copy the dividend into a division house. Box? Put it inside the long division symbol. We use this mostly for record-keeping purposes. The divisor then goes in front, and we can get started. As I said before, we're going to do this with a more how-to approach rather than focusing on how it works. Long division with numbers follows a pretty straightforward pattern. Divide, multiply, subtract, carry through, repeat. So we're going to follow that same pattern here. Divide the biggest powers of x. These are called leading terms in algebra. Right now, those are 6x cubed and 3x. We divide and get 2x squared, which we'll write above 6x cubed. Now we multiply that 2x squared by 3x minus 2, and that'll give us 6x cubed minus 4x squared. We're going to subtract that under the division house. The 6x cubed cancels, and we have minus 13x squared minus 4x squared, giving us minus 9x squared. And then carry through the plus 27x minus 17. Then we start the cycle over. Divide minus 9x squared by 3x to get minus 3x. Multiply minus 3x by 3x minus 2 to get minus 9x squared plus 6x. Subtract minus 9x squared plus 6x from the running total to get 21x. Carry through the minus 17. Repeat. Divide plus 21x by 3x to get plus 7. Multiply 7 by 3x minus 2 to get 21x minus 14. Subtract 21x minus 14 from the running total to get minus 3. Wait, there's nothing to carry through. That means we're done. Now our quotient, our big answer, is going to be 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. And we have a remainder of minus 3. But what do we do with that? One of the lines I repeat over and over is that all fractions are division problems. But that means division problems can be written as fractions. Then the only thing we have to do with the minus 3 is make it the numerator of a fraction and add it to our answer. Done!